Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balances in Xero. This is an essential step when you're migrating to Xero from another accounting system or setting up your books for the first time, as it ensures all your financial data starts from the correct baseline. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This is your starting point for accessing your Xero account. Once the page loads, look for the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in those credentials to access your Xero dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your accounting activities. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu, click on Accounting. This section is where all your core ledgers and financial settings live, giving you control over how your accounts are structured and managed. It's the heart of your bookkeeping setup in Xero. From the Accounting menu, you'll want to select Accounting Settings. This option takes you deeper into the configuration area where you can fine-tune how Xero handles your financial data. These settings are crucial for ensuring everything aligns with your business needs. Now, within the accounting settings, locate and click on Conversion Balances. This is the specific area designed for entering your opening balances when you first start using Xero or when you're transitioning from another system. It's essentially where you tell Xero what your financial position was on the day you began using the platform. The first thing you'll need to do here is set your conversion date. Enter the date you officially started using Xero as your accounting system. This date is critical because it anchors all your opening balances in the system and establishes the starting point for all future transactions and reports. Next, you'll begin adding the opening balance for each asset and liability account. For every balance you need to import or enter, click to add a new line under the appropriate account. This could be accounts receivable, accounts payable, bank accounts, inventory, fixed assets, or any other relevant category. Make sure you're using the exact account names as they appear in your chart of accounts to maintain consistency and accuracy. Now comes the detailed part. For each account you've added, you need to enter the correct balance amount in either the debit or credit column, depending on the nature of the account. For example, assets and expenses typically have debit balances, while liabilities, equity, and income have credit balances. Take your time here and double-check each figure to reflect your true opening position. It's absolutely vital that your total debits equal your total credits. This balance ensures your books are accurate from day one. After you've entered the balances for each account, click the Save button to record that entry. Xero will store this information and use it as the foundation for all your future accounting activities. Give the system a moment to process and save each entry before moving to the next one. And there you have it. You've successfully entered your opening balances in Xero, giving your accounting system the accurate starting point it needs to track your financial performance going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.